Good morning guys, here's Don Felipe from Shark POV Reviews, and today we got the brand new Kia EV6 for a review. And this is how it looks like. The car shares the same platform as the Hyundai Ioniq 5. A very beautiful car. I have to say, it looks very futuristic with the back, with the big lightning stripe. Very futuristic. Of course, it's an electric car. Has about 230 horsepower, and yeah, let's show you the interior. This is how it looks like. Very beautiful. And also, of course, at the back we have a lot of space. Also, you got perforated seats in leather. They're also heated and cooled, like you see. But really, a lot of space. It's black and white inside, so nothing more about to say. Also, the cargo space is pretty decent. I will show you that. Of course, you got a battery. If you wouldn't have it, it would be more space, but it's, I say, for a small car, it's very good. And yeah, here you can close, of course. And let's go for a drive. So this is how the cockpit looks like. You got two big screens formed into one. It's also curved. It's a very good quality, of course. Also from the materials, you got a few bit of piano black, of aluminium inserts, leather stitching. Well, it's very good. I'm really surprised about everything. Of course, you got a 2-spoke steering wheel from Kia. Looks nice, has good grip. And yeah, so that will be it from now. So let's go for a drive. Also the brakes are very strong. You also got the electrical braking for the loading of the battery, which is pretty nice. And yeah, so let's go on the main street. Alright guys, well, let's do a little launch, huh? Well, it's very decent power. It's strong, but not extremely, but it pulls pretty good, I have to say. Alright, let's try another one quickly. Now we got a little bit of time. It's decent. It's decent. Like I said, it's 230 horsepower. It's much, but it's not extremely that much, but it's an electric car, so it's a very good power. You have it from zero. But yeah, that would be it from me. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.